Hi guys! It is bigger, it's better, it looks so good. Look
More
at the
food
vibe.
stations.
And
Camp
more
Cucina.
people. Camp Cucina, welcome
We've taken Cucina back to the desert,
for the second
outdoors.
time.
We've taken all the pit masters and given them amazing space with open fires and flames and burning meat. And
But we're not the Burning Man.
Hi there, I'm Troy, otherwise known as Trotsky, and now also Home by Troy.
Troy, last time you were over, you're making lamb neck.
Yeah.
Just like only a little part of lamb.
Yeah.
Now you bring all lamb. Well, man, amazing.
We've got our full lamb, roasted pineapples. It's all being shaved up, cut up, and made into an open shawarma for you all.
Awesome, man. Always love having you.
Hi Sultan!
Minutes. Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
What are we doing here guys?
So,
Shahida.
this is a beef chorizo, artichoke with a beef broth paella, and you have the flag that's gonna go on top as well.
Amazing.
We gotta take a break because the hot dogs are being served. And the hot dogs, sadini, they fly really fast. They think they're for the kids, but actually they're for the adults. Let's go get some hot dogs.
Who doesn't want hot dogs, man? What are you doing here? And they're wearing gloves. Where are these girls?
Hot dogs, taking orders, level, like fair.
This? Wow. But we have to come back because he's doing some amazing hamburgers. Oh, what you're doing? What is this stuff?
We're hanging some tomahawks, picanhas. We're gonna see some flank and short ribs.
أنا عم بتحمس مع البيكانياز والtomahawks by the way. This is the funnest station is here. What are we doing here?
Birria tacos.
Birria tacos, yum.
Chicken.
Alex is pulling chicken off the bone.
Chicken?
This is the miso chickens. Oh wow. That skin. Who wants skin?
I do. Of course.
Crispy on the bottom.
Yes.